dropping, it almost seems like pound dollar would be the better one. And the dollar has been taking a hit. Right now it looks like it's recovering a little bit. I'm going to buy pound dollar. To me, the dollar is going to be weak after a punch like that. Here we go. It's +4. The yens could too. I mean, either one of these I think would have been fine. Alright, let's go cable. Cable's getting excited. Alright, here we go. But it would be nice to take some positive pips on the day. Here we go. Come on. But it's having an issue here. I gotta take something, guys, before this thing. Can maybe try to get back in. Okay, look, we're getting another dynamic off of this cable. Possibly. If this closes in 10 seconds bullish, we could be on our way up again, guys. Here's a close. Look at that. I gotta get in, guys. Alright, let's go cable. So we got a little bit of a high here that we really want to break above. That's about what, 21-ish? So we definitely want to see it above 21. Pushing 21 here. We got to close above this level. 35 seconds for the close. Look at dollar. Trying to get into lower lows. That's a great thing for this trade. Just going into play here. So we'll see how far this drops. This dollar could just tank. And the dollar's still right at the edge. Dollar yen at the edge. Up 16, 17. Dollar's still taking a hit. Alright, so only took 16 and change.